week's school news bulletin from Srishti Studio Visakhapatnam. We are here to bring you the latest highlights of events and celebrations held in our school. Begin with National Space Day. This year the theme is Aryabhatta to Gaganyaan, Ancient Wisdom to Infinite Possibilities. The celebration highlighted India's glorious achievements in space science, from ancient knowledge to modern advancements. Students actively participated in discussions and activities, gaining inspiration from our nation's vision to reach greater heights.
Other proud achievements include Chandrayaan-1, which confirmed the presence of water on the moon's surface in 2008, and Mangalyaan in 2013, which made India the first Asian nation to reach the Mars orbit in its very first attempt, that too with a very low cost.
If you are interested in space science and aeronautical engineer, these are the career paths where you can find the best careers, and the best colleges in India were the IITs and the NITs.
APJ Abdul Kalam. He began his career at DRDO and was transitioned to ISRO, becoming the project director of India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3. Once he is done with it, he was given the responsibility to develop PSLV configuration.
Today, on the occasion of International Space Day, we gather here to celebrate the spirit of curiosity, courage and discoveries that let human world go beyond the skies. As we look into the sky, we see stars and dream about the universe. As we know, brave space explorers made our dream come into reality.
India is gearing up with a historic milestone in space exploration. The first flight test of Gaganyaan, India's maiden human space flight mission, is officially scheduled for December 2025. The December 2025 flight is unmanned, which is designed to test crucial systems like fuel escape system, orbital module, and launching dynamics, paving the way for India's first astronauts enter into low Earth orbit.
And the orbital modules, which comprises of crew module and service module. The crew module comprises of all the astronauts and creates a Earth-like environment, and the service module has all the engines and thermal systems which help the whole rocket to function.
Special invention of our India. Do you know who is she? Yes, she is Yomitra, a female half-humanoid robot developed by the Indian Space Research.
National Space Day let us promise to dream big and explore the world without any fear. And also remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just a beginning.
Moving on the occasion of Hindi Divas, our students presented a meaningful play titled The Soul of Atmara. The play was developed collectively by teachers and students and brought forth a powerful social message. It shed light on how addiction can destroy not only an individual but also bring grief to families and even affect generations. The performance left the audience deeply moved and thoughtful. To celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi in an eco-friendly way, students created beautiful idols of Lord Ganesha using natural and biodegradable materials. This initiative spread awareness about protecting the environment while celebrating traditions. The idols reflected both creativity and responsibility. Along with these celebrations, students displayed remarkable enthusiasm, teamwork, and dedication. Each event gave them an opportunity to learn, express themselves, and spread important messages of science, culture, and sustainability. all for today's updates from Srishti Studio, Visakhapatnam. Have a great day ahead, keep shining bright and stay tuned for more happenings at Srishti World School. Signing off, this is Rupa Sastra of Class 7C from Srishti World School.